Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful painting in simple 5 steps. So let's get started. Now let's see the requirements of this painting. So you can see all the links in my description. I wish everyone very happy new year and may this year be the best days of your life, and with my sweet and cute wishes let's move to the painting. So in the first step I am going to cover the entire background in black color. So here I use my makeup brush to cover the large area. Here you can see I am applying the color green, and we know the background is quite dark, so the color is become very dull eventually. So it's not a problem here. So I am going to apply more color on this green again and again till the color become little bright. So now you can see I am applying the color primary red. So you can see I am applying the primary red only on the top. After done this, let's move to the second step. So the second step is my favorites. In the second step we are adding lights for this painting. So you can see I am painting some lights here. We are going to add more and more lights in this area, so the painting will become more beautiful. So you can see I am going to add more lights in this area. So you can watch how I am doing this. So I am just taking some colors in my brush. So here I am using my round brush and take some paints in my brush and just put the brush on my canvas like this, and I rotate my brush in a circular motion to have a very beautiful circle. So I use this technique for lightings. So if you find some gaps inside the circle, you can fill the gap with your paint again. Now I am going to add some lights in the color orange. I follow the same techniques again and again. So you can see why I am applying the color red on the background. So we are going to add more colors like the colors in the red family. So I apply the color red on the background so we can have a more beautiful painting. So now you can see I am applying the color orange. So once we finish this, we are going to add some lights in the color yellow. So you can see I use the color yellow to have a more beautiful lights for this painting. If you struggle to paint a circle like this, then don't worry, take your round brush and do some practice. After some practice you can also do like this. So here, as I told you earlier, I am applying more green in this area as it little dark. So here I apply the color medium green to make the background even more bright and beautiful. Now I am going to add more lights in green. So you can see I use the color medium green and I paint the same circles here. In this whole painting I love this part because I love painting the lights like this. So I am sure once you find a technique to paint the lights like this, then you will definitely love painting the lights like this. In the third step we are painting some leaves here. So as we need more decorations for this painting, I am painting some leaves here. So first I paint the leaves in the black color. So you can see I just paint some leaves here using my round brush. I am going to paint more leaves here, but you have to make sure you don't overdo it again because we need the light settings background for this painting. So I suggest you paint only a few leaves for this painting. That is enough because our main focus for this painting is the heart and also the light decoration in the background. So painting a few leaves is enough for this painting. You can also use a black canvas for this painting. You can see I just apply the color black for this painting and we painted the entire background in black color. So if you have a black canvas, you can use that. Now let's add more detail on this leaf. So you can see I just apply the color medium green on this leaves again. So we are going to add more details on this leaf. So you can watch how I am painting the leaves here. I am just adding some individual strands of leaves here. Here I have a suggestion, don't paint the color medium green all over this leaf. We need to add more details on this leaves again. So you can see now I am applying the light green color on this leaf again. If you paint the entire leaf in green, then the painting will not look as much as we expected because the background is also in green. So we have to make some space that is in black so that we can identify the leaf and it will make the painting more depth and beautiful. Here you can see I used the color yellow to make the painting even more beautiful and outstanding. Once we finish this step, let's move to the fourth step. So in the fourth step, we need a masking tape like this. So I'm going to cut this masking tape and I'm applying more masking tape and I'm going to sketch the shape heart here. So after I done this, I'm going to cut the entire heart shape with my blade. So be careful while you're doing this. And then I am removing the tape, so it is little hard than I expected, but the outcome is really beautiful. So after this I am applying the color white. You may wonder why I am applying the color white here, because we are going to paint the heart in red color. We need a quite bright dark red, but if you apply the color on the black background, then the color will become very dull. So I apply the color white for the base. Now I am applying the color primary red here. Now let's add the dark value by mixing the color black and red. So you can see I am applying the color here. This painting may looks very tough, but it is really so easy to paint. If you follow all my steps, you can paint this painting as you expected. If you are new to my channel, I am Rexana. I am an acrylic artist. I love to paint with acrylics and I love sharing my art knowledge here. So if you like my channel and find my tutorials are really easy and helpful, then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me in my Instagram to have the all regular updates about my paintings. Let's back to the painting. So here you can see I am painting some highlights around this heart. I use my line brush to have a very thin lines. Now let's paint the hook and the ribbon. So you can see I use the color golden and I love working with the color golden, and if you don't have the color golden, then no problem, you can also use the color yellow or yellow ochre and mix some white to the color. In the final step we are painting 2024. So here I use the color silver, and if you don't have the color silver, you can use the color white or grey. We are in the end of this year and I want to thank everyone who supported my art page and appreciated my paintings, and thank you guys, and I want to wish everyone who watches this video and all my subscribers to have a very beautiful, happy and healthy 2024. May this year make you the best version of yourself. So this is the final look of our painting. I hope you like this painting and let me know in the comment section how much you like this painting, and I will be very happy to read all your comments, and I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting in my next painting tutorial. Until then, have fun with colors and Happy New Year!